Hey guys, it's Istebrak. I just wanted to talk really quickly about something that's happened to my channel. My live stream feature has been disabled because during my after hours yesterday, I had banned a couple of users that were just being disrespectful or being gross, and they probably begrudgingly, in the form of revenge or something, reported my video. What that caused is a complete disabling of my ability to live stream through my channel. And I have been trying to talk to these representatives for YouTube creators. You can send in emails and they can respond to you. And they haven't been responding to me. They haven't been very cooperative. They're repeating the same stuff about how my strike disables my live stream, which is something I already know. They keep repeating the same stuff to me as if they're using a script. They're not really understanding how unbelievably vital live stream is to my channel. And at this point, I'm at wit's end. I tried keeping this just between me and the YouTube creator team. And the partner team, whatever it is, that troubleshooting team that they have, but they clearly have no idea what they're doing. And I need you guys to tweet at YouTube creators and let them know that this was a false strike. What we did was a simple Google search looking for art references, and I don't know how, I don't know with what bot, I don't know with what program or algorithm or what other garbage, they managed to find a reason to ban my channel from live streaming and give me a strike on my channel, which is only lifted after 3 months. In April, I can start live streaming through my channel again. I want to host tomorrow's class, as I do every Tuesday and Thursday. I have done so without fail for the last, I don't know, 3 years, and I need this to be corrected. And I can't stream through another person's page on YouTube, because that will be an even further offense to their decision to limit my ability to live stream. I don't want to offend them even further if I have already, which I don't think I have. There was not a single result on our Google search that yielded anything pornographic or anything close to that. It was all really, really censored nudity for art studies. And I can show you exactly right now the kind of results we found when I was streaming yesterday. So this was one of them. This was one of the results. Very mild. There was no extreme nudity here. And then you can see here that my streamers are telling me to use Bing because it has more of a secure feature than Google does in case we do find something. I was very cautious. I used my second monitor. I used my main monitor only to show this and do the safer search with the more mild results. We searched male leg muscles. None of these are pornographic. All of these are kind of magazine editorial kind of images and photographs. None of these were full on, like complete full frontal, and none of these were even close to pornographic. YouTube representatives are not responding to me. I take my channel very seriously. This is another result that we found, also very, very mild. Everything is very censored, very, very artist friendly, and I was using these to do my studies for the evening in my after hours. I don't know who the asshole is that misreported me and sent out this strike and got me the strike, but you're not welcome on my channel anymore. If you're going to join a channel only to report it, once you get kicked out for being disgusting or a creep or a perv, or trying to sexually assault or trying to bully people in the stream, you're not welcome, and I'll still ban you all over again, and you can go ahead and report me all over again. We need to start fighting these trolls that are causing channels this much distress. I have a stream tomorrow, and we have to get down. I can't do this alone. I don't know how to protect my channel from people doing this. I don't know how to go about stopping this forever, once and for all. This is all that I searched yesterday in my stream, and none of it is in a complete violation of the community rules. None of it is a violation of the community guidelines. All of these are really, really censored. They're just male anatomy photographs, and none of them are full frontal. I have another full frontal upper body female video from Patreon that I did on figure drawing. Proco has a lot of videos where it's just the complete backside of a male or the front of a female. Lots of videos on how to draw breasts are out there, and this is not, and none of this had any breasts in it or bare front or full frontal photographs. It was all just really, really tastefully censored male anatomy photographs. And this is why they gave me a strike. This is why they're limiting my channel for 3 months. And I can't stream tomorrow, and I will not do them as recordings. This is how my channel is run. I've re-uploaded the video privately to send it to the YouTube reps. I deleted the video because I thought that's all I had to do. And they're telling me that deleting it isn't enough to get rid of the strikes. I don't know what to do right now. I don't know how to work around this. Nobody responded to me properly today. I sent lots of emails. I'm trying to explain and illustrate to these representatives that my channel needs Livestream. I don't know how you can help me. All we can do, send tweets to them and just tell them, please remove this strike. This was a false strike. This was someone who begrudgingly reported my channel, and I did not actually share any of that disgusting stuff. In fact, I was deliberately searching for references on my other monitor in case there were anything, there were any results that were offensive, and I moved it over into my main monitor when I was searching leg muscles only to study for that evening. The whole 4-hour video was me just showing my process for a portrait, and I was searching on Google on my main monitor for like 5 minutes. It didn't last more than 5 minutes when I was searching for that stuff, and I'm not sure how this happened. I'm not sure who identified this as a violation of the community guidelines. It is not. It is all just some sort of random guilty until proven innocent system, and this needs to stop. I don't know. I'm not trying to create a revolution across YouTube in the way they deal with their creators. I don't think they respect their creators at all if this is what they allow to happen on a daily basis. Logan Paul dangles a dead body for a video, and all he has to do is send an apology video, and he gets no strikes and doesn't get kicked off. This guy was mocking a dead body. He was disrespecting it and dangling all over his channel, and his channel demographic is like 8 to 15-year-old kids. And I am penalized, and my live stream is disabled for a false accusation of a policy violation. This is ridiculous, and I need your help. I want to stream tomorrow, and I want this to happen tomorrow. By 5 p.m. tomorrow, I want my live stream enabled. This is ridiculous.